If it took 11 years, it must have been somebody's passion to spend that amount of time, probably touched every inch of it.
The Memphis Belle.
It was just a really neat experience because when they drop that curtain, it's like you're seeing it for the first time. I'm Casey Simmons. I'm a restoration specialist here at the National Museum of the United States Air Force, and I had the big honor of being able to work on the Memphis Belle. The Memphis Belle has been part of my career ever since I've been here. I started on it in 2007, so I've been working on this airplane on and off for 11 years. When I first saw it, it was in multiple pieces. All the substructures were all apart, so you had like 3 or 4 sections of the fuselage. The wings were in 3 or 4 pieces, and then a lot of the paint is just completely gone from the airplane, so it's just bare metal, and it doesn't look like a B-17 unless you really know what you're looking at. And now it looks like almost a new airplane.
When I saw the B-17 here, the Memphis Belle, that I said, it looks like it just came off the factory floor. Then I thought, and I said, I bet it looks better than when it came off the factory floor because the paint looks great.
Toughest part of restoring it was probably getting it just exactly right. I mean, the Memphis Belle, compared to other airplanes, there's so many photographs of the airplane. So that really helps you out because you have a lot of detail. But that also hurts because now you have all this information that you have to get it exactly right because other people see all these photographs as well.
We were sorry to see it go, but we're loving how well they did the restoration.
When it was in Memphis, it was at the National Guard Armory there, just on cement blocks. In fact, that's accurate.
Yeah.
That picture of it.
A lot of these airplanes, World War II, World War I, they're kind of ragtag. Some of them don't fit together as well, but that's the way they're supposed to be. You can't change it and make it better, so you have to be very careful of not changing history just to make it look better. So we always try and do as little and preserve as much as possible.
But I'm glad it's where it is. It deserves to be here.